Welcome to Hall 16 of this year's EuroShop 2023. It's packed with refrigeration and environmental systems. There are aspects of retailing that are large users of energy, heating, cooling, logistics, lighting. Lighting's basically been taken care of with LED technology. Next up on the docket is refrigeration. We're joining Arneg, a company that is presented and represented in large format here at the show. And it's great to speak to a technical expert who can explain to us what the company's doing for energy efficiency and saving of precious energy in this time.
Yeah. Actually, we developed some kind of artificial intelligence. We called it Arneg Data Power, which is a system which features the predictive analysis of failures and energy consumption. So we taught our artificial intelligence to work with almost 60 million data every day that we analyze and we match, having some kind of predictive analysis. So we teach the machine in how to behave and how to predict what can happen in the supermarket.
Is this for demonstration, or is this actually?
I'm going to show you something, how it works, by the way. For example, this is the monitor of a supermarket live, so it is now happening. For example, the artificial intelligence has a range of action, and this shows where something happened out of the range of prediction. The violet line is what the machine thinks that will happen in future. How can we predict things? Because we match data which are absolutely not comparable, or should be not immediately comparable. But we are able to see that, for example, in case something happens, for example, according to the temperatures outside or the occupation of the shop, that this can have a direct impact on the energy consumption of the store, not only for the refrigeration components, which is, by the way, our main field of action, but also in all the other stuff, like, for example, lightings, the air conditioning, and so on.
What would be an example of one of these abnormal events? What would be an example of one of these events that would trigger an abnormality?
Okay, for example, the machine can understand if, for example, a cabinet, a cold cabinet, is going to be damaged. Just to let's think, for example, at the temperature of the air which is blown into the cabinet, but the air of the temperature of the air which is going inside of the cabinet, so it should be a little bit warmer, but not so warm, can, for example, tell us that the cabinet is going to be packed with ice, and this will help the customers, so the shop owners, in understanding that something is happening, and maybe they should check what is happening into their cabinets, and this can avoid a very expensive repairing, for example. This can be measured in thousands of euro each month, and thousands of euros each year.
So an immediate ROI on such an investment.
Yeah, of course. Well, this is this is a system that we developed on purpose, but in this moment, this can help us and also our customers to understand how their shops and their applications work, not only to save money, but to optimize really the way that they are working. So it's something that helps us and our customers to work in a better way.
Great. Fosco, thanks for taking the time to speak with us at an absolutely packed booth here at the EuroShop. Thanks a lot. So that was great information. Obviously, refrigeration, a huge energy consumption expense for retailers. We're now going to LG, a company known worldwide in most circles through their consumer electronics, consumer appliances. In this setting, for the retailing sector, they are involved in industrial refrigeration, gastronomy, and retailing. It's quite a ways, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut here, walk quickly, and let's get over there. Hi, Peter. Busy stand. Thank you for finding the time to speak with us today.
It's a pleasure.
We were just at Arneg, explained some interesting solutions they're providing. The theme of efficiency, obviously a major part of retailing at this point. What does LG bring to the table in this respect?
Okay, so as from LG's point of view, we are specialized in climate control. And climate control is one of the main energy consumers in retail. So we're trying to provide our customers with the best possible solution to minimize the energy consumption. And from that point of view, our systems are built to provide maximum cooling or heating with the lowest possible energy input.
Are you pushing solutions out into the market, or is the market coming to you saying, these are efficiency standards that need to be met, can you provide them?
Actually, it goes both ways. So we have certain technologies that are not yet known to the industry, so we try to bring them to the industry. But it's absolutely clear that in Europe, the retail in general has to follow the European Commission's regulations, so they are pushed heavily to reduce their carbon footprint.
Peter, thanks for finding the time to speak with us on EuroShop TV today. Have a great show and hope to talk to you again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So there it is. From a very full hall in refrigeration technology here. Lots of innovations to see, a lot of changes in regulations, and then changes in energy prices. Obviously, instability brings a need to find solutions to make things easier on the pocketbook for retailers, gain efficiency, be able to publish that within their communication channels to prove their credential as sustainable retailers. Lots to see here at the EuroShop.